Hey, welcome to the demo for Chatwoot CLI. We recently released this and we are constantly pushing new changes to it. Installing and setting up Chatwoot and other instructions are present on the README, but it's best to just go to developers.chatwoot.com/CLI. Here you can find all the instructions, commands, advanced usage, and how to use it with agents. Setting it up is straightforward. The CLI itself is a Go binary. You install it via bash script. So when you run this, it will detect your platform, find the latest version. We already have a version running, so it'll download it, verify the checksum, and reinstall it. We already had completions and aliases ready, but it's up to you if you want to disable it. So you can just run chatwoot who am I, and it will, okay, yeah, you're not logged in, so we do chatwoot auth login. We start with localhost here. By default, it will be app.chatwoot.com, but any latest version of Chatwoot should work. The API key is stored in the OS keyring. So to find it, just start with going to your profile settings, copy the API key. Copy the API key and paste it, and just add the account ID one, and it will log in. Let's run for a good measure. We need the completions. Yeah, so you will get the completions here. You can just see like Chatwoot config path. It'll give you the path where the config for Chatwoot account is saved. You can run Chatwoot cons. It will list all the conversations assigned to you. You can run /assign all. For a given conversation, let's say Chatwoot con 44, it will list it. You can do /ojson. And it'll give you the output as JSON. Now using it with agents is pretty cool and very easy to do. In fact, all you have to do is just run this command and it will fetch the skills file and set it up for whatever agents you're using. By default, all the agents that you have installed is selected. So for Claude Code, we'll be using it today. Let's install it globally. We can symlink it. Yes. So this is installed. Now all you have to do is just open Claude, say list all conversations assigned to me. List all open conversations assigned to me. Let's be specific here. So we'll figure out that it needs to use Chatwoot CLI. List the conversations. You can also say list all open conversations. Yep. Yep. So I give you a summary. Let's just say show me messages from conversation 44. It'll fetch all the message. You can in fact reply from here, reply to them that the issue is fixed and will resolve the conversation. So the agent understands that you are specifically asking them to send a reply. So you just do send and resolve. So if you come back here, all conversations, pick 44. And it says, hey, thanks for flagging this. This has been resolved. Don't worry about the fail to send. It's local. So yeah, it's not set up. It's just a dummy account. But yeah, this is how it works. You can also send a private note, add a private note resolved from Chatwoot CLI. And it's added. So yeah, that's the demo.